Blogfast AI has just been released, and if you're looking to boost your content creation game, there are a few crucial things you need to know about this powerful software. Stick around as we dive into 7 essential features of Blogfast AI that could change how you create, market, and manage your blog posts. And by the way, you can try it for free right now with the first link below. Trust me, this is something you'll want to check out. First up, one of the biggest selling points of Blogfast AI is how it generates content quickly. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, this software uses cutting-edge AI to produce text that feels natural and engaging, even if you're not a writer. It can automatically generate SEO-optimized blog posts with minimal effort, helping you focus on strategy and growth, not hours of writing. If you're struggling with writer's block or just want to speed up your content production, this tool could be a game changer. Another feature that sets Blogfast AI apart is its ability to analyze your target audience. The software uses advanced algorithms to assess what resonates with your specific demographic. This is huge because it means you're not just producing random content. You're crafting articles that are more likely to drive traffic and engage your readers. By leveraging Blogfast AI's built-in audience insights, you can ensure your blog posts hit the mark every time. Next, we need to talk about its integration with SEO tools. Blogfast AI isn't just about writing, it's about ranking. This software automatically suggests keywords and optimizations based on the latest SEO trends. It can help you choose the best keywords, recommend topic variations, and even give you a readability score, making sure that you're not just publishing content, but content that performs. Another standout feature is Blogfast AI's ability to help you stay consistent with your posting schedule. It offers a content calendar feature that allows you to plan your posts well in advance. This is perfect for anyone who struggles with staying on top of content deadlines or simply wants a more organized approach to blogging. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other platforms, allowing you to schedule and post directly from the software. If you're someone who manages multiple blogs or handles client projects, Blogfast AI's multi-account management feature will be a game changer. You can easily switch between different projects without needing to log in and out constantly. This saves you time and helps streamline your workflow, especially if you're running a digital marketing agency or freelance business. What's really interesting is Blogfast AI's continuous learning feature. The software doesn't just stay static, it learns from the feedback you provide and the performance of your content. This means it gets better at generating content, improving SEO, and understanding your audience over time, making it even more valuable the longer you use it. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. Many AI tools like this can be pretty expensive, but Blogfast AI is surprisingly affordable, especially when you consider the value it provides. Plus, you can try it completely free with no strings attached, which makes it a great way to test out whether it fits your needs before committing. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this one stands out for its overall value, features, and ease of use. So, if you're serious about taking your blog to the next level, Blogfast AI is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget, you can try it free through the link in the description. I've also included a list of other AI tools that I recommend if you want to explore more options. After testing countless AI software, I can tell you, Blogfast AI is one of the best in terms of value, ease of use, and results.